Why not, Eminem? Part A. So, ito yung may bed. So, ito lang kita. How about this one? Eminem. Alright, so apat po yung kukunin natin. Top 4, crossover, 1, 4, 2, 3, court A, court B. Okay, we would like to thank our sponsors from 3A Gifts and Prints. Ate Eds and Ate Ann, maraming salamat po sa inyo. From Texas Pharmaceutical, Ate Judith, maraming thank you po sa lahat ng mga donation nyo. Mga buloy, salamat po. Okay, sa amin, Ina, Sir Ramos, okay, salamat sa amin. Okay, Ate Lenny, sa mga parapos mo. Sino pa si Ate Koy? Alright, Team KBG sa inyong pa-bronze medal for the best players. From Team LGA sa discount voucher and box services. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Minulog lang.
Okay, major awards. Sige. Okay, major awards po. Para po sa champions. Alright, meron po tayong trophy from 3A Gifts and Prints. Gold medal from 3A Gifts and Prints. And then championship shirts from 3A din siya galing. Cash prize na tumaginting na 700 dirhams. And certificates Okay, para sa first runner-up, balik kaya tayo 350. Silver medals, bags, Paxas items, and certificates. We have the finals MVP, gold medal, trophy, Paxas items, certificate, and 25% of vouchers cargo service from LGA. Best setter, gold medal, map, Paxas items, certificate, and 25% of voucher from cargo service LGA. We have minor awards. So we have the best servers and best diggers and best players for each team. Alright. Okay, let's call out our top 4 teams. Top 4 teams. Top 1, we have Team Eminem. Top 2, we have Team Aces. Top 3, we have Ilonggo Slashers. And top 4, we have Sina. Okay, since bakante po yung fourth team natin, tinatawagan po namin ang Aces at Team Ilonggo Slashers. Meron ito tayo for crossovers sa fourth team. Ilonggo Slashers and Team Aces, punta na po ngayon sa fourth team. Pahingi po ako ng R5 ngayon na po. You're running out of time po. Pakibisan lang po. Team Aces, fourth team. Team Aces, fourth team, and Ilonggo Slashers. Guys, punta na kayo sa court B.
Sabay na po, bari niya ko.
Okay. Pasayo ako. Rank 2. Sinong rank na natin? Ano, Marion? Marion, patingin ako ng rank 2. Okay, rank na natin. Rank 2, Team Aces. Team Aces, rank 2. Versus rank 3, Ilonggo Slashers. Pasuyo lang ako ng R5 mo. Okay, ready na ba? Team Aces versus Ilonggo Slashers sa Part B. Okay. 1 to 15 scoring natin na. No juice to ha. 1 to 15, no juice, no time out. Mag-pray na kayo, 1 to 15 lang po. Ready na ba? Okay, meron po tayong minor awards. Mga best player po, each team. So, tinatawagan po natin from Asian Jaguars. From Asian Jaguars po, Rose. Best player, Rose. From Asian Jaguars. Best player awards from each team. From Asian Jaguars, Rose. Rosalinda. Rosalinda, pasida po tayo. Kila Ate Eds. Kila Ate Eds po. At po si Ate Eds. Alright. Maraming salamat po, Asian Jaguars. Maraming salamat.